horse bronco.
Time 162 miles. We should run a plane. No one believes that I'm allergic to apples, but this is the second time they have given me apple cores and I touched my eye and now it is bothering me. Itchy. It's me itchy all day now.
This looks like a nice place to take a dump. We're in Dinosaur, Colorado. The place that we wanted to boondock at was packed. There's only, it looks like, probably about 4 spots on the top. So we're gonna hang out here. We have a beautiful view. Dinosaur National Monument. So we're gonna back up and get a little more level than we were. There's a bunch of them. See the things running right now?
Yeah.
You see them, Em?
Yeah. They're running.
Crazy hair, don't care. Woke up super early, us heard elk, and they came running across. You hear 'em? Of course they're not gonna do it now. But they were just all here. Oh my gosh. It was amazing. We couldn't really see them that close. But there. You hear that? It's amazing. Got the sunrise over here.
And there's the moon.
You get like
And then
the glare of the sun in my hair.
and then you got the moon and Ross's hair.
horned lizards. It's a baby horned lizard.
Oh wow.
They're harmless. They're so harmless. Like, they can't hurt
Yeah,
you
they're
at
cool.
all.
Yeah, people
Coyote Peterson has
people
actually...
pay a lot of money to have those as pets.
Coyote
They get 'em as
Peterson
a-
actually caught him in Arizona because his mom lives somewhere where there's like a ton. That's how he got his nickname, because road runners chase horned lizards, and he was chasing the road runner.
Or somebody did. Reagan did.
I did.
All right, let's let him be, guys.
It's so cute.
He's looking at us like we're huge.
We are huge.